Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. This is me, Mehak. First of all, I would like to thank you all for giving me this opportunity. So, I would like to say, marks, as you know, our topic is very important. Our topic is marks is not important, or yes. Sir, I don't agree with my friend Kanishka because I feel that in order to scoring marks, children have to study everything, which is not at all related to their success. Scoring marks indicates Scoring marks does not indicate intelligence, but rather indicates it is a rote parrot. Oh sister, without understanding any concept, you can get good marks just by answering some questions correctly. But we can call that student as well trained, but we cannot call them as well educated. There is a difference between a trained student and an educated student. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. This is me, Aisha. First of all, I would like to thank you all for giving me this opportunity. So, I would like to say, as you know, our topic is very important. Topic is marks important. I completely reject my friend Mehak's statement that to get marks, it is important not to memorize. Mehak is wrong. Mehak is wrong. In the exam, those questions are not asked which are memorized from the books, but they come on the pattern. And to answer the questions on the pattern, intelligence is required, not rote learning. And getting yes marks is a sign of intelligence. Only that students can score marks who is intelligent. Otherwise, you cannot get marks. reads reads the books with understanding. uh, According to me, it is important to get marks. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. This is me, Kanishka. First of all, I would like to say that, as you know, our topic is very important. Marks is important or not? I think marks is very important because marks says that child is reading, and marks brought by the same child whoever read, whoever to read, and brought the marks has the power to do something big in the future. And I am absolutely sure marks help in the predicting the future for children because get the marks, study, hard work, and intelligence. So children are must get the marks. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. This is Miss Shafia. First of all, I would like to say thank you for all giving me this opportunity. So I would like to say, as you as you know, our topic is very important. We agree that your marks is judged by what you think a little, and see are from marks we get you who does judge, and you know less in the world catching your weakness. Long even if for marks we are here for you. Looking looking and looking looking an excuse to turn. We are angry about this. But you must have seen that when someone on the basis of his talent is his success, then those people prayed. Remember, nothing achieved nothing achieved by working hard alone. Can you get good marks by working hard? To be the best success to will be smart work.
Good morning, everybody. This is me, Sahla Parveen. Is my topic is very important. Topic is marks is important. Say whatever you want, but until we success, it is all about marks. You will vary that when our high school intermediate result come. Only what is more, when we go to college, take admission, there too merit is. Only what is more, when we go to college, take admission, there to merit is we are judged by our marks.